Okay, so we have an example here for our maximum power transfer theorem. So dito sa example na to, this is the network, no? So tinatanong dito is what is the or what should be the value of RL such that maximum yung power na natatanggap ng load, okay? Or nung RL mismo, okay? So alam naman natin ano that according to MPT theorem, RL should be equal to RTH. Okay, so ang pinaka-goal talaga natin dito in order for us to solve this problem is to get the RTH. Okay? So, RTH ng network. Okay? So, we have to treat this, no, as the network. So, kumbaga, meron tayong network dito and that is connected dito sa ating RL. Okay? So, in order for us to get the RTH, no, well, that's just the Thevenin resistance of this network. Okay, so, na-discuss naman natin yung Norton equivalent, yung Thevenin equivalent circuit. So, what we need to do is get the RTH of this network. And how do we do that? Okay, so, i-disconnect muna natin yung ating RL, yung ating R load. So, ito yung ating magiging two terminals. Let's name this A and B. So, kumbaga, ito yung A and this is yung B. Okay, in order for us to get the RTH of this network, kailangan natin i-turn off yung ating voltage source. Okay, so, rewriting this, let me just rewrite. We have this, no, shorted na or turned off na pala yung ating 10 volts. And we have 4 ohms here, 1 ohm here, 6 ohms here, 4 ohms here, and ito na yung hinahanap natin. Okay, so this is, again, this is node A, and this is node B. Okay, so alin yung node B? Itong buong to. That is node B. This is node A. So, meron pa tayo ditong isang missing na node. Let's name that node, this as node C. Okay, so i-redraw natin ito, So, ang hinahanap natin guys is yung RTH dito, as in this or between A and B. Okay, so let's redraw. I'll write my nodes here. This is A, this is B, and this is C. So kung isulat ko muna pala. This is 4 ohms, this is 6, this is 1, and this is another 4 ohms. Okay, so in between A and C, we have 1 ohm. So this is 1. Between C and B, we have 4. C and B, we have 4. But also, between this C and this node, which is also B, kung mapapansin nyo, that's just node B pa din, we have 4 between C and B. So, meron pa tayo dito. So, ayan hindi siya masyadong pansin na parallel itong dalawa, but apparently they are. Okay? So, alin pa hindi natin na-take into account? Ito na lang. And that is between B and A. Okay? So, that is, ilan nga yun? 6. Okay? So, kailangan natin malaman what is this RTH here. Okay? So, pwede natin ma-solve yun. So, parallel to. Pag na-parallel natin yan, pwedeng series na siya dito. Then, kapag naka-series na siya dyan, parallel ulit dito. Okay? And that will be our RTH. So, ang RTH natin will be 4, parallel 4. Then, series kay 1. Okay? And this will be parallel kay 6. Okay, so 4 parallel 4. Alam naman natin, kapag nag-parallel ka ng ng same value, and dalawa lang yung ipaparallel natin. So, divided by 2 lang yan. So, 2. This will be 2 plus 1. So, that's 3 parallel 6. And 3 parallel 6 is just 2 ohms. And this is my RTH. And this should be my RL. Okay? So, ito na po yung sagot. So, in order for you to have, or for the load to receive maximum power from the network, the resistance of the load should be equal to 2 ohm, which is equal to your Thevenin resistance. Okay? So, basic. That's all. Thank you. Next topic natin will be on, anong ba to? MPT, Millman's theorem.